Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Accessibility because that gives you software controls when the physical key fails. Tap Settings, then Accessibility, and enable Assistive Touch or a comparable on-screen control. This creates a virtual volume slider. Once done, make sure your device is unlocked and no other audio apps are overriding sound. Close them if needed. If you plan to use a headset, pair Bluetooth or plug in wired headphones now, since external controls can adjust volume when the built-in button won't. Next, use the new controls to change volume. Open the Assistive Touch menu and drag the volume slider up or down. This directly manipulates system audio, which is why it works without the button. You can also assign a custom gesture to increase or decrease volume quickly. Alternatively, control a paired headset or Bluetooth speaker. Their buttons send volume commands to the phone. Make sure to check the Control Center or the Active Media app. They expose separate sliders for fine-tuning and immediate feedback. To finish, lock in your method by testing with music, videos, and a phone call so you confirm consistent behavior across apps. If changes don't apply, restart the device. This clears temporary conflicts and often restores control responsiveness. Then re-enable Assistive Touch if necessary. If the on-screen controls still fail or the device ignores external remotes, back up your data and arrange a hardware repair, because a broken volume circuit won't be solved by software alone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.